Hi guys, do we go to Disney? Morning guys, Katie here. So I thought I would do a really random one today, but should we go to Disney World on our next Florida vacay? So I'm in two minds. The biggest dilemma I've got is my mum's coming on this trip and I don't think she's going to manage to walk all the way around Disney and all the way around Universal and do it all in 2 weeks basically. And the second one is it would be an awful lot for Isla to manage as well, like to do all of the parks. It's around £2,500 for 2 week tickets for all of us for Disney World. And that just, for a park tickets, just seems crazy to me. Maybe it's not that bad, I don't know. But then when I versus it for 2 weeks for all of us to Universal, £1,300, and I suppose they've got 3 parks versus Disney who've got, you know, the 4 main parks and 2 water parks. I can sort of see the math there. So that leads me to the big question. Do we do Disney at £2,500 and probably only manage to go into the park, each park one day, and I don't think we'd do the water parks because we're going to do Volcano Bay. So if we were going to do a water park, we'd do Volcano Bay over Disney because we're staying up towards Universal, and we'd probably Uber it down to like Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios if we did a day there. Our second option would be to just do a 1 day park ticket. So we could do a 1 day park hopper ticket, which would be £800 for us all for the 1 day, which is a lot more affordable, is really quite expensive, would be a very long day. But if we tied it in before a rest day where we were just staying at the hotel, we weren't really going anywhere, we were just having a pool day, it may well be something that I could entertain. Because then what we could do is that's a park hopper, so we could choose 2 parks out of that day that we'd go to. And I think my reasoning would be Animal Kingdom in the morning, but literally just go to Animal Kingdom and do Nava River ride because it's one of Ida's favourite rides. Run over to do the Nemo show. Run back to do the the Lion King show. Sorry, so run back to do the Lion King show, and then head over to Magic Kingdom for the rest of the day. Do Magic Kingdom for the rest of the day, all of the great rides, eat there, watch the fireworks, and also once we get to Magic Kingdom, just rent my mum an ECV because it's just so much walking. So just like rent her a little scooter to ride around on so that it's not so bad for her. So that's plan 2 or idea 2. And then I've got sort of the third option is we are going to have Disney Village at Disney. I want to say Disney Village, which is the France version, but I can't think what it's called now. No, it's gone. It's completely gone. I can't think what it's called. Disney, you know, we've got all the Disney shopping off site, and we can go down to like Disney shopping district, so we could do all that, which is completely free to us. And we could potentially go to the Polynesian and do the Ohana breakfast which is, I think, Lilo, Stitch, Pluto and Mickey. Or we could go to the Contemporary Resort and do a character meal there. I think that's Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald, Pluto, Goofy. I think it's those. It might just be Daisy, might not be there, might just be the rest of them, but I feel like that would be a sort of a nod to Disney in a weird way. And so yeah, that would be a nod to Disney. But do we want to miss out on a Disney day? That's what I'm thinking. And do I sprinkle some magic on our trip and just book that one Disney day? And I really don't know what to do. So I need some help, whether we Magic Kingdom or we don't Magic Kingdom, basically. So thoughts, should we go to Disney for the day? Should we just go for it and book 2 weeks at Disney and tell the consequence? Or do we just do a character meal, which would give us sort of a little bit of Disney? The children would absolutely love it. I think my mum would absolutely love it. She doesn't come to Disney all that often. She doesn't come on holiday with us as much as we'd like. We're trying to alter that. So this is like a big trip for her to come with us. So I'd like a little bit of Disney sprinkled in there, as we're mainly doing Universal. We are just really doing Universal. So thoughts and comments, please do like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. To Disney or not to Disney? That is the question today.